Oh, what's that? What's this? Get in there. Yeah. I'm supposed to be a mage in this, but big two-handed axe is very nice. Heard it's very good when stuff is hammering, but most of the game is just walking simulator. Yeah, that's what I was hearing. The biggest thing I've heard is you kind of gotta stick with it for about 10 hours or something, and then something happens, and then it like really sucks you in. So I'm gonna give it 10 hours. Probably end up starting it up this weekend sometime.
Bit of poison on my blade. And let's go!
Stop hitting the guys that I have stasis.
Things are about to get dicey. Take a potion if you want to cast more spells.
I don't have the attention span for 10 hours of nothing. Ah, shit. Well, you've watched me stream for over 10 hours. Not at the time, but literally. Oh, shit. Yeah, I do want to check it out. I'm a big fan of Kojima. And that's really the only reason why I want to check it out. I also really like Norman Reedus. So them together seem like a nice little duo, but whether or not it's good kind of remains to be seen, in my eyes at least, you know. Yeah, I made the mistake of watching a couple reviews for Ghost of Tsushima earlier today. Ended up watching ACG and Fighting Cowboy did one too. And now I just cannot wait to play Ghost of Tsushima. I'll probably put it off for about a week or two, let all the big streamers kind of do it, and then pick it up in like a week or so. Because that game seems really fun. I would love to be a samurai. Also got to get better at, if I'm playing Death Stranding, to get better at keeping the old banter bus rolling. So, shit. That's a lot of dudes. Fuck. Oh my god, dude. What?
Things are about to get dicey. I need healing.
Nice. Alright, let's take a little breather. Let me get my mana back. How many potions do I have? I got 20 mana potions. Should just start using them. Where the hell does this take me? So yeah, I was supposed to go to the clinic today to get a follow-up on my MRI. I was talking to you guys about my my left arm. Kind of jacked it up at work. I don't know if any of you guys have ever gotten an MRI. I really hope you haven't. It's the most uncomfortable experience of my life. I've never been claustrophobic, but man, that really pushes it.
Take a potion if you want to cast more spells. Move away. Things are about to get
for some reason they're like, I'm not as big as I used to be when I was like working out like a lot. I think right now I'm at like 205 and I'm on like the slender side of 205. And at my biggest I was pushing about 247, 248 was about the heaviest I was. And it was like a built like 250. I'm only 5'10". And she was saying that I was almost too big to fit in the machine, like now. So I can't even imagine how kind of people bigger than myself get MRIs done.
And let's go!
And can you not attack the guy that I froze, please?
Things are about to get dicey.
Froze him for a reason. Oh.
Let's see if you can ward off this fate. You're running out of it.
Getting a little bit better at this game. It's like once you kind of learn the systems, tactics is probably the best way to put it. I'm the type of person that'll just do the same thing over and over again and wonder why it doesn't work, and then get mad at the game for being crappy.
My blade. And let's go! Take a potion if you want to cast more spells. You're running out of energy. Drink a potion. Move away. Things are about to get dicey. Take a potion if you want to cast more spells. Move away. Things are about to get dicey.
Nice. We're getting better. Not much better, but a little better. Oh no. Sucks for that guy. Little mushrooms. I really hope you guys can't hear my my crunching when I got my mic up like this. I'm just starving, but also I'm really digging this game. Like I said, I'm off for the next 4 days, so I just want to like just not blast through it. I just want to lockpicking 3. Oh no. Damn. Alright. That sucks. Wait. Am I still wearing the... Oh, this is the one with the +1. Shit. So that would be under talents. But I I think on the next one, I wanted to get... I don't need science number 3. No, I do need science number 3. Because with science number 3, I can craft the major magic potions. Yeah. Shit. Alright. There hasn't really been a lot of level 3 lockpicks. There we go. Jeez, I've been in here for like 20 minutes. This is all I've uncovered. Man. Levels are big. Stuck. Is there a bunch of question marks over here? Oh no! This fool fall off the mountain? Yeah, he did. It sucks. But then again, who climbs a mountain in like full plate armor? He had to come. I only slightly feel sorry for that guy. No, I think the weapon I have is way more powerful. Did I go? I think I went that way already, right? I gotta go right up. Okay. Ghost, if you're looking for a game to like check out if you're into like open world RPGs, it's a little janky, but I feel like this is a good game for like 20 bucks or so if you can get it on sale. I don't know how much it is right now. Bought this on like release date, or on release day. Played it for like 5-6 hours, and then I think like a day or two after this came out, like something else came out. I don't. Oh no, there's one of these up here. The natives have told us about a giant creature who reigned over the heights. The statue we have found could be a depiction of it. It is a large winged beast. It seems agile and capable of flying, but its body seems fragile and unprotected. Of course, it's only a depiction. We will have to see for ourselves to confirm these observations. Oh, well, time to quick save. Oh, look at these assholes just waiting.
A bit of poison on my brain. And let's go! You want to cast more spells? Move away. Things are about to get dicey.
Pause. And start chunking your arm. There we go.
You're running out of energy. Drink a potion.
Armor gun? Don't stand there when he's doing his big, like, drop attack, man. Come on. We've been working together for how many days now? And you still, like, how many of those things have we killed? They all do the same attack, man. When they stand up like that, you just gotta jump back a little bit. It's kind of just like a weird, anticlimactic. I don't think I climbed this. No. this trail of carnage I've been leaving. This game looks kind of fun. Kind of reminds me of Dragon's Dogma. Yeah. I only played like a couple hours of Dragon's Dogma, but yeah, it's got like that same kind of vibe to it. Just the magic. If you want to go like the mage route that I'm doing, it takes a little getting used to, because I mean, I'm playing on hard right now. This isn't even the hardest difficulty. On extreme, being a mage in the beginning like is rough. Because you can see how like slow the mana refills, but you can always just switch to like your backup weapon and wait for it to refill. It took me a couple hours to kind of get used to that. That's not good. Uh-oh. I mean, since nobody's here, can I just take over this campsite, make a new like little home base? I think everyone might have left. But yeah, for like, I would say about $30 would be my limit on what I would put